Hello everyone, welcome to CUET Current Affairs episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, how many cooperatives are founding members of Bharat Taxi? A. 5, B. 8, C. 10, D. 12. The correct answer is option B. 8 cooperatives including NCDC, IFCO, GCMMF, AMUL, CRIBCO, NABARD, NDDB और NCEL भारत टैक्सी के संस्थापक सदस्य हैं. Next question is, what is the endemism rate for amphibians in India? A. 13.8%, B. 54.9%, C. 79%, D. 13.4%. The correct answer is option C. 79%. India has 79% endemism in amphibians and 54.9% in reptiles, underscoring biodiversity hotspots. Next question is, when was the PM Gatishakti National Master Plan launched? A. October 2020, B. October 2023, C. October 2022, D. October 2021. The correct answer is option D. October 2021. Launched in October 2021, PM Gati Shakti is the Ours 100 crore initiative for infrastructure development. Next question is, which ministry oversees the IndiaAI Mission? A. Ministry of Science and Technology, B. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, C. Ministry of Commerce and Industry, D. Niti Aayog. The correct answer is option B. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, METY, through its independent business division. IndiaAI implements the mission to democratize AI benefits and ensure ethical use. Next question is, where is Zoho Corporation headquartered? A. Hyderabad, B. Bengaluru, C. Chennai, D. Mumbai. The correct answer is option C. Chennai. Founded in 1996 in Chennai, Zoho serves 100 million users in 150 countries with 55 plus cloud apps. Next question is, where was the DRAVYA Portal launched by the Ministry of Ayush? A. New Delhi, B. Goa, C. Kerala, D. Varanasi. The correct answer is option B. Goa. Launched in Goa on October 15th, 2025, the DRAVYA Portal is a digital repository for Ayurvedic ingredients. Next question is, what is the thermal tipping point exceeded by warm water coral reefs? A. 1.2 degrees Celsius, B. 1.0 degrees Celsius, C. 0.5 degrees Celsius, D. 2.0 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is option A. 1.2 degrees Celsius. Reefs have crossed the 1.2 degrees Celsius threshold, causing irreversible dieback and threatening millions' livelihoods. Next question is, what is the estimated total elephant population in India as per the 2025 WII report? A. 18,304, B. 30,225, C. 25,000, D. 22,466. The correct answer is option 22,466. The report estimates 22,466 elephants with a range of 19,135 to 25,798 using DNA-based mark recapture for the first time. Next question is, what is the IUCN global status of dugongs? A. Endangered, B. Vulnerable to extinction, C. Near threatened, D. Least concern. The correct answer, vulnerable to extinction. Dugongs are vulnerable globally with secure populations in Australia, Persian Gulf, but critically endangered or extinct in East Asia, Chor Africa. Last question is, what is the helpline number for financial cyber fraud reporting? A. 1930, B. 100, C. 181, D. 112. The correct answer is option A. 1930. The 1930 helpline, alongside the National Cybercrime Portal, aids quick reporting. CFRMS saved 5,489 crore in 17.82 lakh complaints. Now it's time for practice question. When was World Mental Health Day first observed? A. 1980, B. 1992, C. 2000, D. 2010, Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
अब एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।